Hello everyone, in this video we will discuss about the question and solution of topic acid, bases and salts. Let's start. The first question is, why is plaster of Paris stored in a moisture proof container? And the solution is, firstly we know that the plaster of Paris is a mixture of many materials. It is a softy in nature. We will use for making children's toys, doctors for patients, like extra. We will prevent to get the solid. We will add 3/2 molecule of water to form the gypsum salt. Gypsum salt is not a solid in form. It is sticky in form. We add CaSO4.2H2O plus 3/2 H2O gives CaSO4.2H2O. It's a reaction. It is used when the 3/2 molecule of water it reacted to form the gypsum salt, and there is a reaction and it is exposed to the air. It takes by 3/2 molecule of water and due to the formation of sticky substance. We will not use as a solid in this compound. Thank you. The next question is, what do you mean by neutralization reaction? Give and two examples. And the solution is, firstly we know that the neutralization reaction is a very common reaction. Like in lab we add acid in a base to get the neutral reaction to get the salt and its water. Like this is like example, like a strong acid will add with the strong base to give the salt and water. Give the first example, the sodium hydroxide is add to the strong acid, hydrochloric acid, it gives the sodium chloride, is a salt and the water. And the next example is milk of magnesia, which is a base, is given as antacid in the case of ingredient to give the neutralization to the as some more acid produced in the stomach. This is a common reaction when the acid added to the base to maintain the pH is neutral is 7. Like the strong acid is added to the strong base, we get the neutral pH 7. The third question is, mention two uses of baking soda and washing soda. And the solution is, we need the washing soda. Washing soda is usually common in every home, like in detergent and make, like first example, sodium hydroxide, the formula of NaCO3 is used in a glass making soap and paper industries. And the second example is, it is used in a sodium compound as a borax. Borax is a sodium compound which is contain the borax, boron in a compound. It is a part of inorganic chemistry. And the second is baking soda. We all know that the baking soda is used in every home to making the puffs, cookies and extra. There is an example, it is a formula like NaHCO3. It is a common formula. Sodium bicarbonate is also an ingredient of antacids, is a form also in antacid form. It is alkaline in nature and neutralize acid in the stomach and preferred relief. The second is, it is also used in a sodium acid fire exhauster. It is also used in a fire exhauster. Next, why does a milkman add a small amount of baking soda to fresh milk to shift the pH of fresh milk from 6 to slightly alkyl? The milkman is used to get the alkyl because we use the milk unspoiled for a long time. We use the milk for a long more than a usual time. It also increases the pH of higher, like slightly alkyl. As the same the reaction, the milk keeps the milk unspoiled for a longer time than the usual time, as to increase the pH to adding some impurities and some substances. And the milk had a longer time to set as a curd. We used as a curd for maintain the pH 7. And next, why do acid not show acid behavior in the absence of water? It is a good question. In the absence of water, a substance will not form the hydrogen and hence it is not showed in the acid behavior. All we know that the acid contains the hydrogen ion and the water is also contain the hydrogen ion, and the explanation is the acid behavior of acid is due to the presence of hydrogen ion across in them. The acid provide hydrogen ion in the presence of water. If we adding hydrogen is added in the water, the hydrogen ion is also mixed with the water. There is the same ion. There is no difference in acid and water ion of hydrogen ion. They are the same, so they are not dissolved in the water. Thank you.